Hey bears, welcome to my tutorial on how to create an account with DeltaMath. If you still haven't created one, this tutorial is for you. If you have created one, you could ignore this and just sign in as usual. If you need a refresher, here it is. First, you're going to go to DeltaMath.com. That's how you spell it, right up there. We're going to zoom on over to create account, and you're going to be creating a student account. My teacher code is right up here, 693475, and it's popped up. It says your teacher name is Miss Fishman. If you have a different teacher like Miss Musselman, you'll have to get her code. I'm going to select a random period. I'm going to choose period 1, and I'm going to type in my name. My email should be your KCMSD email, so I'm just going to type in something random, but please don't do that. This will be in case you need to recover it. I can help you do that. And then also, please put in your school password. Let me put this up here so I don't lose it. Okay. You're signing up. You should be signed up. And it says your account has been created successfully. What that means is that you're good to go. So let's double check. We'll do r380@kcmsd.net. I'm going to type in my school password. And here you go. You see all these assignments. These are from last semester. I will get these taken off. Don't worry about it. But if you have a new assignment, it'll appear in blue. Nothing's been posted yet. I have everything set to post. Your first assignment will be April 6th. And then every Monday you'll see a new assignment. So see you guys then. Bye.